Hi guys, hope you're doing great. So I got this Rode compact on-camera microphone from Best Buy for like 60 bucks. Okay, I read a lot of good reviews on Best Buy, so that's why I went with it. And the reason why I went with a nice small compact camera is because I want to use this with my smartphone. Alright, so it's made in Australia and doesn't require any batteries. Comes with a good mount. Okay, alright, let's open the box. Okay, so so here's the microphone with the wind muff. Let me try to remove this. Alright, so that's the compact microphone. Leave it over here. That's the mount and the audio jack. So if your phone, if you look at the phones these days, they don't have an audio jack, so you'll need an adapter, like an audio jack to a USB-C or an audio jack to an iPhone. Okay, so this doesn't come with that jack. You'll have to buy it separately, maybe $5 or so. Alright, so in the next video I'm going to show you how to mount this with your smartphone and then take some videos. Okay, thanks a lot for watching. Take care guys, bye.